put both your hands into there, Ingrid.
Okay.
Phoebe, what are you doing? What are you doing, Phoebe?
Could you move, Phoebe? I'm trying to get in.
You want to come in?
Yeah.
Okay, open the door.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
I'll open it.
Say hello. Here she comes. Phoebe.
Can't go in there.